Hey everyone, are you ready to dive into the world of 3D animation? Whether you're a beginner, a professional, or just someone curious about creating stunning visuals, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 3D animation software for 2024. Let's get started. Starting off our list is Powtoon. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to create animated presentations and explainer videos, Powtoon is your go-to. It's beginner-friendly, web-based, and offers a wide range of templates, making it perfect for businesses, educators, and content creators. While it's more geared towards 2D animation, Powtoon's versatility and ease of use earn it a spot on this list. Next up is Autodesk Maya, the industry standard for 3D animation. Known for its advanced rigging and animation tools, Maya is used by major studios for blockbuster movies and AAA games. While it has a steeper learning curve and a hefty price tag, its capabilities are unmatched for complex projects. Coming in at number 3, we have Cinema 4D. Famous for its intuitive interface, Cinema 4D is perfect for motion graphics, product design, and 3D art. Its integration with After Effects makes it a go-to for VFX artists and motion designers. If you're looking for ease of use without compromising on features, this one's for you. At number 2, we've got Houdini. This software shines in creating mind-blowing VFX. Think explosions, smoke, and destruction. Its node-based workflow gives artists precise control, making it a favorite for complex simulations. If you're dreaming of creating Hollywood-level effects, Houdini is your best friend. And finally, taking the crown is Unreal Engine. While it's known as a game engine, Unreal Engine 5 is a game-changer for 3D animation too. Its real-time rendering, photorealistic visuals, and metahuman tools make it perfect for cinematic storytelling. Plus, it's free until you start making big bucks, perfect for indie creators. And there you have it, our top 5 3D animation software for 2024. Whether you're just starting or pushing the boundaries of what's possible, these tools have got you covered. So, which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative content. Catch you next time.